Welcome to the demonstration of the MODEAS drone detection system at the Fraunhofer-Institut, IOSB, in Karlsruhe. As part of the MODEAS project, a multi-sensor system was implemented that, in addition to the detection and classification of attacking drones, also offers suitable visualization to support the decision-maker in selecting defensive measures. The architecture of the system consists of several heterogeneous network stations and a control center, but in the current implementation, only 2 stations are used, namely a radar station from the company Robin, which we are using since 2018 as a commercial solution for drone detection systems, and an optronics station consisting of several optical sensors, 2 wide-angle sensors, omnicams, each with an opening angle of 90 degrees, and an electrically controllable pan-tilt unit on which a telecamera, spotter, and a laser rangefinder are mounted. The MODEAS system can be used in many ways for drone detection. The following case demonstrates the use of the optronics sensor station to detect and classify a drone. If a flying object is discovered in the omnicam's field of view, this is detected as a small point in the distance, and a trajectory is built up based on the detections. The spotter automatically focuses on each point detection in order to detect and classify it in an enlarged image using image-based artificial intelligence methods. If the point object is a drone, it will be continuously tracked by the pan-tilt unit and its distance measured with the laser rangefinder so that the geo-coordinates can be calculated automatically. The drone is kept in the field of view of the telecamera until it disappears or is defended. In addition to localization, the detection drone is also classified according to model, payload, and size, upon which the danger of the drone can be estimated. All these important information are adequately visualized at the display table, such that the current situation could be quickly assessed and potential threats identified. For this purpose, the geo-position of the detected drone is drawn on the map, 2D and 3D, and the additional data such as model, payload, distance are displayed. In this way, the best possible support for the decision maker is provided. As it can be seen from this demonstration case, the MODEAS multisensory modular system enables drone detection and fine granular detection of drones. The system has an open design. Additional sensors for early detection, such as acoustics or high frequency, can be easily combined with the optronic sensors within the multi-sensor system such that the advantages of all sensors could be best exploited.